Kia ora team, Chris Farhi here. So we've got a very slight break in the weather today, so I figured I'd check out the Lighthouse at the front of Auckland's waterfront. So I've been thinking about doing a quick vlog about this piece of art for a while, mainly because I see it every day from my home and I'm constantly surprised at how few people have actually seen it up close. Despite being a piece of artwork, it also ticks a lot of boxes for this vlog. Specifically, it's a building located on prime real estate. So quick summary, the Lighthouse is a piece of artwork located at the end of Queens Wharf on Auckland's waterfront. It was completed in 2018 by the artist Michael Parekowhai. It was funded by real estate agency Barfoots plus some anonymous donors, so shout out to them for making this happen. Cost at the time was around $1.5 million. Its exterior is in the form of a 1:1 scale 1950s family home, but with a completely open interior that contains a super shiny sculpture of Captain Cook and an installation of neon lights. It looks cool during the day, but it's at night that it really starts to pop, with full neon lights plus the shiny Captain Cook sculpture glistening away in the dark. In terms of interpreting the artwork, the artist Parekowhai described it as a small house that holds the cosmos. We have the whole world in our house, a house that you can look into and see through. Our chandeliers are not ones that hang from the ceiling, but clusters of neon lights that represent the constellations. So we'll keep this vlog short and sweet, but before you go, make sure to smash that like button and we'll see you next time. Cheers, bye.